Hey everybody, and welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. So if you guys don't know what this series is, it's basically just me giving you guys a quick tip that I know or a trick on a Tuesday. It could be any given Tuesday. I'm not going to be doing them every Tuesday anymore, but I will try to do them every now and then still. Keep the series alive for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually have the navigation on the non-navigation head unit on the STIs. It's very simple. This is a 2018, so that's what the head unit looks like right there. I don't have the GPS model or the navigation model, but I can still do navigation on that. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Some people might know this trick, some people might not. I didn't know this trick for the longest time, so maybe there's some people out there that also don't know still. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just in case. So let's go ahead and jump into my car and get right into it. All right, everyone, we are now inside of my STI, and I'm gonna show you guys the steps to be able to put the navigation onto your car even though you don't have the navigation head unit. So basically, let's go ahead and turn it on. As you guys can see, there's no maps button here, so this is not the GPS unit. This is just the base model stock head unit that this car comes with. So we're gonna go agree. We're gonna go ahead and go to the apps. We're gonna be utilizing the Subaru Starlink. Now after about 30 or 40 seconds, when your car connects, this will light up. If you don't have the Subaru Starlink app, this will tell you that you have to download that. So it's not going to work without the app. Go onto your app store or Google Play and download the Subaru Starlink app. And then so I'm gonna throw up a video of me downloading that and going through the steps of that really quick. And just to show you guys, if you don't have the app, this is what's going to happen. Just going to tell you to disconnect, and you're going to need to download the Subaru Starlink app. So go ahead and do that right now. You want to press allow. Just read through all of this. Press agree. Now you want to go ahead and press on allow while using this app. Do okay if you want to sync your contacts, and then okay if you want to sync or control your music. So I'll do okay. You want to go ahead and press continue. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and go ahead and connect your Bluetooth with your car. As you can see, I already have Bluetooth connected right there. Go ahead and press on the Starlink. Now you don't need your phone anymore, so go ahead and just put that away. Now you want to just set this up. So United States or Canada or Mexico, wherever you're from, let it all load up and sync up with your car. And this is the actual navigation app that we're going to be using. So we got the GPS right here. Just do okay. You want to go ahead and press agree. Press OK. And there you are. So you can go ahead and view the map, add a destination, whatever. I don't want to view the map right now because it will go ahead and throw out my address, and I'm at home right now. So I will actually go ahead and just drive somewhere and then use that map view so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. All right, so I went on a little drive to show you guys a live view of the map and that it does actually work. So I'm actually in a parking lot right now on my way to get some Panda Express. Don't judge me, I'm hungry. But yeah, as you guys can see, there we go. There's the map in action. It does work. It looks pretty good and it works pretty good. I didn't have to pay anything for this, so hopefully that is the case with you guys as well. So you got a cool little bit of apps that you can go through here and use. I mainly just wanted to show you guys that navigation app because it's pretty cool. I didn't really know that you can do navigation on a non-navigation head unit. So if you didn't know you can do that, now you do, and now you can use that if you want navigation on your car. I hope you guys enjoyed this Quick Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.